Hello guys, how are you? I hope so that you guys would be good. So just coming up with the very latest information that was being released yesterday by the Apple, and it is being one of the major step which I can say that is being taken up by the Apple just to ensure the safety of your children. So basically what it is that yesterday Apple has released three features which Apple is being planning to put up in the upcoming iOS updates, that is iOS 15, but they didn't tell us that in which update it is going to be coming up, whether it is in the stable version of iOS 15 or maybe after stable version, that is iOS 15.1 or iOS 15.2. So basically what it is being related to your iMessage app. In your iMessage, if anybody is being sharing or sending any kind of message or any kind of photograph, any kind of material which contains some data that is being related to the child abuse sexual material, so that would be notified immediately, and it would notify your parents also. So you will be getting some kind of pop-up windows that you have to be make sure that you are being seeing this kind of photograph or you are being sharing this kind of information. So if you are being very sure that you want to see that particular thing, and the notification will be sent to your parents so that your parents would come to know that your children are being sharing these kind of stuffs which violating some kind of human laws and all. So they will be aware of this thing that your children is being sending or they are being sharing this kind of stuff. So very good initiative that Apple is going to take up in the upcoming iOS update. Apple has shared three splash screens yesterday just to notify us about this feature, that how it looks and how it is going to be work in this upcoming iOS update. So you can see these three splash screens on my screen, that the first one is being helping with communication safety. So this is being one of the pop-up window that looks like it is going to be appear when you have been updated to the new iOS update which contains this kind of feature. So you have to continue with this pop-up window. And the second thing, if anybody is being sending or receiving any kind of stuff which corresponds to this which contains this kind of sexually exploitation of children, then it will give you this pop-up window. So before watching this, that Apple is being planning to show you one pop-up window that you can see on the screen, that is this could be sensitive to view. So are you being sure? So you have to be make sure that you are being sure of that particular content, or you're not being sure of this particular content. So if you are being sure of this particular content, you have to press OK. Then again the third pop-up window, it will appear in front of you, that is being it's being your choice, but your parents should know that you are being safe. So this is being the third pop-up window, it is going to become up in front of you, and you have to be very careful. Once you click on this one, then immediately the notification will be sent to your parents that you are being your children are being sharing this kind of stuff which contains this kind of sexual exploitation of children and all. They are being watching these kind of things. So basically you can understand about the people sharing. We are having a share group on our iPhone. So if you are having a share group, it will automatically send notification to your children, to your sister, to your brother. So this is being very good initiative that is being taken by the Apple in the upcoming iOS update. Second thing, Apple has been shared about the iCloud photos also, that in your iCloud section, if any photo, any material which is being related to child abuse sexual material, that will also be notified immediately. And so of course that Apple is not going to check it out physically, but Apple is going to use this machine learning technology to check out any kind of material related to child abuse sexual material, and it will immediately notify to the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. So very good information, very good update, very good initiative that Apple is going to put up. But still Apple didn't mention it, that when it is going to be come up, whether it is with the stable version of iOS 15 or maybe in iOS 15.1, 15.2. So let's check it out when it will come. But very good initiative. So I hope so that you guys would like this information, very latest information. Only yesterday we got this one. So I hope so that you guys would like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more info about Apple products. So we'll meet you guys in my next one.